Hi, I'm Andrea from Crane, and I'd like to introduce Crane's new drop shape humidifiers. The Crane Drop Shape Cool Mist Humidifier makes breathing easier for a good night's sleep. They also help with nasal congestion, dry cough, and help protect against dry skin, chapped lips, and nosebleeds. Cool mist humidifiers are perfect for cold and flu season, as well as year-round moisture to your home. The Crane Drop Shape humidifiers create a whisper quiet fine mist. It has a 360-degree nozzle to direct the mist, a variable cool mist output control that puts out up to 2.3 gallons per day, a 1-gallon water tank that runs a minimum of 10 hours, and an auto-off function when the tank is empty. Crane humidifiers are simple to use and include an operation manual. Please keep the manual in a very safe place for future reference. Now there's a water tank nozzle for the mist, a 1-gallon water tank that's easy to fill, and a water basin. Please be aware that the tank is filled from the bottom, not the top. Now first, unscrew the water tank cap. Then fill the water tank with cool tap water. It fits perfectly under most faucets. Replace the water tank cap and then put the filled water tank back onto the water basin. Now make sure that it's sitting on a level, elevated surface. The humidifier knob is used to adjust the mist output. It's usually best to have the output on a medium setting to allow the mist to be absorbed into the air. You do not need a filter to run the humidifier. But if your tap water has a high mineral content, you can use distilled water or purchase a Crane demineralization filter. If you use the humidifier continuously, it's recommended to change the filter every month. You only use a filter if you have hard water. Now please remember, it's very important to clean your humidifier. Please view our cleaning video for complete instructions.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier.